Well, we did it. Got my car had its oil change. Got her a new filter. Let me just... Where the hell? New filter. That's awesome. Still no bumper, but that's whatever. As you can tell, we took it for a drive after doing the change, and the check engine light was gone. Absolutely wonderful. Sorry you guys won't be learning too much from this fucking video, but yeah. So I guess I'll try. So underneath there, you'll find a little plastic cover, that one. Now, with that, you'll find a bolt that's not directly this way or directly this way. It's kind of at a slant this way. It's a 17mm bolt. The only 17mm bolt down there, at least should be. That is your oil plug. A little farther back is your CVT oil plug. Don't want to fuck with that. But yeah, your drain plug will be down here, just underneath here. So that's that. It takes 5.1 liters of oil. See ya.